The fourth element in the definition of a simulation model is the definition of resource pools. A resource pool, not to be confused with a pool in the sense of BPMN, is a set of resources that can be assigned to a given task. A resource pool in the context of simulation is specified by means of its name, the size of the resource pool, meaning the number of instances of that resource type, and the cost per time unit, say per hour or per day or per month, of a given resource of that pool. And finally, the availability of the pool, meaning during what calendar are the resources in that pool available. An example of a resource pool could be, for example, a clerk, which corresponds to a role in the organization. The clerk has a cost of 25 euros an hour and works according to a calendar Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Another example could be a credit officer with a cost for each credit officer of 25 per hour and a calendar Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. In some simulation tools, it is possible to define the cost and the calendar at the level of each individual resource rather than defining it at the level of the resource pool. However, in subsequent examples, we'll concentrate on the case where all the resources in a given pool have the same cost and abide to the same calendar. And finally, the fifth element in a simulation model is the assignment of tasks to resource pools, meaning for every task we say what is the resource pool that can perform that task. In our case, for example, we might say that check credit history is performed by a clerk, same for check income sources, whereas assess application, make a credit offer, and notify rejection are performed by a credit officer, while receive customer feedback is performed by the system.